Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Klockworks windshield. I got an 8.5 inch for my Street Glide 2014. Right now I have a 5 inch and I've got too much buffeting. So let's open this up. Here it is. Looks beautiful. Look at the curves on that. Alright, let's go and remove the old windshield. Hopefully it's as easy as I've seen it in all the other YouTube videos. Just take off these screws. The long one goes in the middle. Okay, got that. Let me put it in my magnetic plate. And let's see if this just comes off as easy as it should. And it does. I think I'm definitely going to save this. You never know. And let's go ahead and put the new one on there. Klock works. Should be aerodynamic. Alright, so we're just going to put it back where the other one was at. Trying to be as gentle as possible here. This middle one is not cooperating. This one's in already. That one's in already. And it's the middle one. It's a little bit harder. There we go. Just have to go over it. Put it in there. Should be it. And then do everything in reverse. Alright, I'm going to start out with the middle one. Put that one back in. Just have to lift it up a little bit. Okay, a little rough to get it in there in the right spot, but pretty simple. I love the color of it. It's a dark smoke. And tighten it, not too tight. You don't want to break it. As soon as you feel it hand tight, it's done. Okay, make sure I got all of these. One more. Good. All right, should be good. And here it is, installed. All right, thanks. That was easier than I thought.